Okay, so how has it been in the last 3 weeks you've been in camp? Tell us the shape of your team.
So far, so good. The players responded to training, but at the beginning, the first week was tough because they've been laid off for about 2 months because of off-season. But they are back, and we've been pushing, most especially conditional-wise. So far, they are really meeting up, and I think 3 weeks we've done a lot, but we still have a lot to do.
Okay, so you'll be playing against Rwanda. It's the second round of the FIFA qualifiers, talking about the under 20 women's FIFA World Cup qualifiers. The World Cup will be taking place in Poland next year. How well do you know Rwanda? We understand they are a very good team. And what strategies are you putting up or mapping out to ensure that you neutralize whatever threats they might pose against your team, however or regardless of how dangerous they are?
Well, in Africa now, all of us are aware. Everybody's aware that female football is growing drastically in Africa. So therefore, no country is a pushover. Rwanda is not an exception. And I think we were privileged to get their match against Mozambique. That they won 2-1 home and 0-0 that makes them qualify. We sat down together with the players yesterday, we watched, and we saw how they play. They are beatable, but a good side. They have some speed player in their team. They have some team players in their team, but we'll be able to neutralize them with our strategy. As we go on with our training section, we'll have at least 2 more weeks to prepare, and I think the girls will catch up, and we'll be able to face them and do the needful.
Falconets against the Amavubi of Rwanda. How well is your team ready to face your opponents in the next 2 or 3 weeks thereabouts?
Firstly, I would say I'm privileged to be among the national under 20, and I and my teammates, my colleagues, with our training sections, we have been putting our efforts towards the game against Rwanda.
As the captain and the leader of this team, how are you preparing their minds towards your opponents, Rwanda? We understand they are a very good side. Are they aware that they need to put in their very best to ensure they come out tops against their opponents?
Well, we know so well that Rwanda is a good side, so are we. So we've been working very hard through our training sections, friendly games, putting our heads together, working together, and by the special grace of God, our first match against Rwanda is going to be a success.
Thank you very much, Joy, for your time.
Thank you.